This is my Phase 4 stimulus package update for May 5th. Alright, so we've seen all these proposals and ideas, and quite frankly, it's been kind of annoying. There seems to be like a new proposal every single day, and now we just have to wait for Congress. And they seem like they want to take their time. They are kind of pushing this wait and see approach. It kind of makes sense because there's already been so much stimulus passed, but at the same time it's very unfortunate because so many people are struggling right now. I see it in the comment section of my YouTube videos and it really breaks my heart, honestly. We're hoping to see more action take place this week. I will be reporting on it on this YouTube channel. But for this update, we're going to do things a little bit differently. We're going to rank the most popular, publicly supported stimulus bills and ideas on a scale of 1 to 10. 1 being, there's no chance of it happening, and 10 being, it's most likely going to happen. I got this idea from All K-Pop, who commented, "Can you scale 1 to 10 the chance of getting it?" That didn't really make a lot of sense, but I got the idea from that. So let's get started. Disclaimer, these rankings are based on my personal opinion. I have no idea what's actually going to happen. Are we even going to get more stimulus? I say this is a 9.5 out of 10, pretty much guaranteed we're going to get a Phase 4 stimulus package. All the big elected officials are talking about it. Obviously, the president has confirmed that more help is coming. It's hard to know exactly what that means, but I'm pretty confident that more is coming. It's just a matter of what form. We have the payroll tax cut. I say this is a 9 out of 10. It's supported by Trump. This is gonna help workers, not have to pay for Medicare and Social Security. There's a very high chance of this happening because Trump said himself that he is not going to approve another stimulus package unless a payroll tax cut is in it. The idea of another $1,200 stimulus check. I rank this one a 7 out of 10. We've already done 1 stimulus check. It doesn't seem like it would be too hard to do another one. I know a lot of people still haven't even gotten their first stimulus check yet, and if you haven't gotten it yet, make sure you go to IRS.GOV to check on the status of your stimulus check. But I think this honestly could be something that happens again. Trump even said before that he is not opposed to another stimulus check. Everyone agrees that $1,200 is simply not enough money. I made a whole video a few days ago going over will there be another stimulus check, so make sure you go check that out. And for the Patriots' pay, I give it a 6 out of 10. I think the intention is right here. We have to support our frontline workers. They're working in a very dangerous environment right now. The reason I'm a little bit hesitant is because I don't think it's fair for the employers to have to pay 25% of the bonus. The government should just pay for it. I don't really understand that part, so I think there's gonna need to be some revisions done before this actually would pass, but I'm giving it a 6 out of 10 for now, and we'll see what happens. And the next one is the Emergency Money for the People Act, and of course this is like my favorite one. It's like the most popular one. It's the $2,000 per month in stimulus checks, and a lot of people want this to happen. It's kind of unreasonable, to be honest. It's just very expensive. Do 16-year-olds really need to get $2,000 per month? There's a lot of controversy on this. I think it could really help. I'm going to give it a 4 out of 10 right now. There's going to be some backlash on it. Of course, it would be nice to just get $2,000 coming into your bank account every month. Like, you can't complain about that. Now the ABC Act, this is the one where you get a $2,000 prepaid debit card and then another $1,000 is loaded onto it every month. This one, I'm giving it a 3 out of 10. It just seems a little tiny bit unreasonable for me. But of course, during this hard time, if we're going to be in quarantine and things don't get better and we don't have a vaccine until like a year or 2 from now, then it would be a good option. But for now, I'm going to give it a 3 out of 10 just because I'm not really too confident that this would actually pass. And lastly, the Rent and Mortgage Cancellation Act. This is the one where they cancel all your rent and mortgage and they fund the landlords for their losses, pretty much. Just in simple terms. That's basically what it is. I talked about it in previous videos. And I'm going to give this one a 1 out of 10. I don't really see this happening. There's just so many variables and just like messes with my head. And like it sounds easy, but that's just my opinion. So let me know what you think in the comments. I'll keep you updated with what's going on. Stimulus is like my new favorite word. Thank you so much for watching this video. Watch out for the killer bee. I can't wait to see you in the next one. Peace.